Welcome to another episode of Quantum Information. So I'm building a social network in Svelte, and I've made a little drop-down avatar thing like that. So you click on it, this thing opens up, and then if you click on anything else, it closes. And it's the same on desktop and on mobile, just so I don't have less things to worry about. If you're interested in following the progress of this and tech updates, you can join the Discord server and also go to mentorcv.com. But anyway, let me just show you how the code works. So there is a listener applied on Svelte on this thing here, and we use a Tailwind SC, a Tailwind class which assigns a cursor so that we get the hand on it when we hover over it like that. And then it's just an image from Gravatar, and then we have some styling, inline block radius 50%, and a white border, and then a little drop down caret as well like that. And it looks quite intuitive. So let me just show you the code that does that, and then also the code that we use for some vanilla JavaScript to close it when we click outside of it. Because DOM events, so you can apply DOM events on the body. So anyway, so we have Svelte events handled here, and then we also have clicking outside on the body to control the component. And I'll show you how that's done. So we have our on-click on the Svelte component, and that just wires up an event for us. And we can actually also write that as you can do it like that and pass in E, right? And then you just call it this, but the compiler will take care of that for us, so we don't actually have to do that. We can just write on avatar click, right? And so when they click the avatar, we just we have the content is controlled by is dropdown open, and that will then just display any of the other stuff on here. You can have any like links and or functionality. Here we just supply a user logout function. So when they click on the avatar, it will then close or open it depending if it's shut or not. And also, because we don't want any events to propagate up the DOM, we also stop immediate propagation. And that's important because anything else that's clicked on the DOM will close it except the avatar. So if we, for example, if we click outside of it, the event will bubble up to the body. And the body has this on-click handler here which shuts the dropdown. So for example, clicking on here, the event doesn't go back to body, and therefore we don't close it and it stays open. However, if we click outside of it, the event won't be handled by on-avatar click and stopped. It will just go straight to here and close the dropdown. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Very simple, Svelte component, and just has a lot simpler UI than having to change the position of elements depending on mobile and all this stuff. So that's pretty much it, and I will be actually making some professional level videos on the social network once it's been built, and that'll be a future announcement to make. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.